Welcome back here on the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today is Hot Wheels time, and as you can see, GK's 2024 hit the stores here in my area in Germany, and that's what we are gonna take a look at. Mostly we do have some additional ones, but mostly we will be unboxing GK's, and I would say let's get started. And our first one is the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. It's a recolor in HKS deco, this time in blue. Looking pretty nice. It's very similar to the black version, but yeah. We get a dark blue as a base color, and as you can see, the rims are basically the same, but the new version is a chrome ring and the other one a blue ring. So let's put this guy into the parking lot as we go on with another recolor from the El Segundo Coupe, now in blue, a generic casting that I personally really do like, looking very good. You know, it's basically a coupe clip with wheels, if you know what that is. Anyways, this was the last version in green, and now another version with racing deco in blue, and once again it looks pretty cool. Now our next one here is a new casting, and this one is called Rapid Pulse. It's like I don't know, a futuristic ambulance or whatever. It's you know, it's a little bit strange, weird, I would say, odd, whatever you call it, but I think it's kind of interesting. So as you can see, this one has a red metal base, and the upper part is plastic. Comes with a huge wheel in the back, smaller wheels in the front, so it's like a racing ambulance. I don't know. But as you can see, I hope you can see it here on camera, we got kind of a driver there in the front, positioned in the middle. I mean, it's not very detailed, but I don't know. I think it looks kind of funny. We got blue tinted windows, and take a close look here in the back. We got some medical stuff, and if you take a close look right here, it looks like somebody is already lying there in the back. Patient. Well, I think it's kind of cool. So into the parking lot it goes. Next one up is a recolor for the 72 Stingray Convertible, now in red. Also a very nice casting. I think I got all versions so far. We've seen it in blue, gray, and here I'll show you the white version. Was the only one I could find for this video. Yeah, it's a nice casting, and as you can see, we got this little blue dot here on the bottom, and if you take a flashlight and put it on there, you can make the lights glow. Kind of a, let's say, little Easter egg. I think it's neat. So I like the chrome interior, by the way, looking very cool. Oh, and didn't see that. Look at that. We also get a license plate, Stingray license plate, chrome bumper. Oh, didn't focus. Pretty nice. Now, I would say we go on with this guy here. Audi 90 Quattro was a new casting last year. Now a very, very cool recolor. And if you are lucky, this would be the super treasure hunt if you find it with real riders. This one here obviously is the mainline version, but yeah, I think you have to look pretty closely that you don't miss on the super treasure hunt if you come across one. But yeah, that's very cool. I really like this casting. Unfortunately, it seems like, please don't ask me why, they have some issues putting these graphics on there. So take a close look here at the back. Two letters are kind of messed up, and yeah, we got some little issues, paint issues down there. And here on the hood, once again, the thing is, I don't know, the first two versions had the same issues. Here's a white version. It just doesn't look that crisp, and, you know, very little, you know, pieces of deco are missing. It's a minimal issue, but it, you know, yeah, it's a little bit unfortunate because it's kind of a cool casting. Here is the red version, by the way. Very nice casting and a very nice recolor. So yeah, let's go on with this guy here. Jaguar MK1. So yeah, we get kind of a 50s model. Definitely not my, well, not an era of cars that I'm a huge fan of. But this thing here in racing deco, looking very cool. And yeah. This one comes in a very nice glossy gray. Some crisp deco here on the side. And some pretty nice details on the front. Look at that. With the buy one license plate. It's kind of funny. Chrome bumper, chrome base. Also on the back. It seems like this one has a red interior, and as this is a British car, it's a right-hand drive for sure. Yeah, this is once again not my era of cars, but this one looks really, really good. Good job from Hot Wheels on this one. Now, let's go on with this thing here, the Minecart 15 years edition. To be honest, I don't play Minecraft, but yeah, I think this thing looks kind of funny. I don't know, seems like you can put something in there. I have no idea what kind of stuff. Maybe it's up to you. So as you can see, it comes with a kind of a face here on the side. And as you can see, only the base is metal. This is plastic. Yeah. 15 years. Kind of nice. Then we go on with, I think this, I'm not 100% sure. I think this is also a new casting. And same thing as with our Jag. Not my type of car, not my era of cars. But the model itself, this one, is a real beauty. I'm not really sure how this color looks on camera, but it's fantastic in my opinion. It's a little bit like color changer, somewhere between, I don't know, a light green and yellow, or maybe gold. But the color is absolutely fantastic. It's, in my opinion, this is one of the best colors I've seen on a mainline Hot Wheels model so far. A real beauty, really nice. I like the white wall tires, and as you can see, we got a chrome interior, so we get chrome bumpers on the front, and on the back we also get headlights, and yeah, this thing really cool, really nice. So into the parking lot it goes. Now, what else have we got? Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, now in red. So yeah, Porsche, what can I say? Always looking good, and this is a really nice costume. We get some headlights and some taillights, which are part of the interior piece. This, I think, is the 4th version. We've seen it in yellow. We've seen it in, here we go. Oops, the other way around. Orange. And I think the first version that I'll show you here in the background was in white. So, yeah. Really nice color scheme. There we go. Now, yeah, this is definitely another highlight, if not the highlight of this G case, the BMW M3 Wagon, kind of racing style. So this is kind of a custom model because I think it's the E30. Oh, it's hard to, you know, I can't remember these numbers and letters. And anyways, there wasn't any M3 wagon in this era, so this is a custom version. But it looks really cool. I mean, look at this. Pretty nice deco in the famous BMW M colors. And I mean, look at this one. The deco looks so much better than on on the Audi. Maybe it's the shape of the car that makes it so hard to put it on there. I don't know. But this one is a beauty. I like the white wheels. This, yeah, it's a metallic, dark blue, looking really good. Some headlights would make this thing nearly perfect, but it is how it is. Yeah, really nice. So we got still some more stuff to go. We got some treasure hunts. Took me a time to get find this one, Batman Forever Batmobile. I think this is the regular treasure hunt of the E-case. Yeah, I mean, what can I say? I'm not a huge fan of these Batmobiles. It's there are way too much of these Batmobiles. I don't know what exactly the deal is with these Batmobiles and Hot Wheels, but yeah. I'm trying to get all the treasure hunts this year. So here you can see it. Here's a treasure hunt symbol. Yeah, Batmobile. And also found the regular treasure hunt of the F-case, the Draggin Wagon. This is also something I'm not too excited about, but you know, have to get it for having all the treasure hunts of this year. So into the parking lot it goes, and we finish this up with 2 Fast and Furious models. I hope you can see it here. Are the 5 models in this set, and this time I didn't buy all of them. I just got this one here because this one has a metal base. So you know, I'm not really collecting these US cars. It's not that I don't like them. It's just, you know, you have to stop somewhere, otherwise your collection is yeah, way too big. Run out of space. This one does look really cool. The 70 Chevrolet Nova SS. There you go, and there you can see it metal base, and this thing is really heavy. Pretty nice, crisp details on the back. Get these racing stripes, some details on the front. Nothing too spectacular, but for €5, the ones with the metal base, I think you can't pass on them. So there we go. And yeah, let's finish this unboxing with this guy here, the Volkswagen Jetta Mark III. Yeah, I mean, this one would have been very cool with a metal base, obviously. It's not. I think this is a car that has been quite popular in the US. In Germany, yeah, you know, it was more a car for like grandpas and that stuff. But anyways, it's a nice model. Some details on the back, pretty nice deco on the side. White rims and some crisp details on the front. Yeah, once again, a metal base would have been nice. And with that said, let's put the rotator to the side. Let's take a look at all of our models from today. And as always, I'm trying to pick a favorite, and yeah, it's kind of hard. I think the Jag is really fantastic, but you know, we're in Germany and I really like German cars, and this is also a new casting and it's very cool. So my favorite is the BMW M3 Wagon. And there you have it, my unboxing of the G case from Hot Wheels of 2024. With that said, thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.